Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit funds in Binance. All right, so first off, go ahead and open up the Binance app. And then once you're in here, just go ahead over to the bottom right, tap on assets. Okay, or you could go ahead over to your Web3 wallet and just tap on assets and just add funds. Okay, so assets right here. Under overview, you could go ahead and tap on add funds, or under funding, you could go ahead and add funds here as well, or spot fiat. Okay, tap on add funds here as well. So for example, just here under overview, tap on add funds, and then just make sure that you tap on buy with USD. Okay. Or you could go ahead and tap on on-chain deposit. If you do have a crypto from another crypto wallet, okay, you can just go ahead and choose this option. Now, if you just want to deposit funds straight up from your card, okay, or bank, well, buy with USD right here. So just tap on it. Now, make sure that you're under buy. Select the currency. For example, 100 USD, okay? And you will buy what crypto or what asset? Could be, for example, Bitcoin. All right. Now go ahead and select the payment method right here, and you will have a ton of options depending on your region or currency. Okay. If you want to deposit for your fiat wallet, well, go ahead and do so. Tap on deposit right here, and then you will have fiat, okay, in USD or in your currency. So in here, as you can see, we have card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or even Skrill and ATM. So just tap on confirm. Once you have selected your payment method, tap on preview your order right here. Follow the simple prompts, okay? And once that's done, in no time, you'll be able to see your money reflect to your overview section or your wallet. That is it. That is how easy it is to deposit funds in Binance. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.